Introducing TSO's router table extension for MFT3 tables. Transform your Festool MFT3 into an efficient and productive trim routing powerhouse. CNC machine brackets lock the router table onto any side of your MFT3 for a completely flush fit, allowing you to customize your workflow for maximum efficiency. The fully adjustable fence assembly includes a bit guard, 2 stops, and a 1.5-inch dust port which mounts in the horizontal or vertical position. Compatible with popular trim routers from DeWalt, Bosch, Makita, and Milwaukee. The hard anodized plate is wear resistant and features a threaded hole to accommodate the included starter pin for enhanced control when routing freehand. Additionally, the sacrificial fence sections and T-track enable the use of accessories like stock guides and feather boards for even greater control over your work. A seamless and expanded workspace perfect for all your trim routing needs. Unlock the potential within your MFT3 today by adding the TSO router table extension.
It's important to secure your slab before you start flattening it, but the tricky part is you can't use regular clamps that could get in the way of the router. The easiest and most secure option I've seen are these slab gripper hold-down clamps from Rockler. You simply screw them to your work table, the spikes hold the slab in place, and they keep the surface clear for flattening. They're easy to install with single number 8 screws.
Here's how you set them up. Position the slab between the flattening router jig rails. Secure 2 slab gripper hold-down clamps on one end of the slab, either on the end or at the corner. Push the slab tight against the 2 clamps. Now position the 3rd clamp close to one of the opposite corners of the slab and drive a number 8 screw into the middle of the clamp slot. Drive the screw until the front of the clamp is below the slab's surface. Repeat this process for the final clamp.
Introducing, with the latest innovation in striking, the Ox Ultra Strike Hammer range. The straight rip claws designed for easy prying, adjusting, and demolition. Integrated side nail puller for tough removal of nails, and bonus magnetic nail starter for even greater efficiency. The lightweight profile of our Ultra Strike hammers makes all-day construction easier. All ergonomically designed and complete with anti-vibration, non-slip grip handle to provide superior comfort and control whilst absorbing the shocks of continuous use. With an oval-shaped strike face for accurate and easy toe nailing. Revolutionary bridge shaft design redistributes weight away from the shaft of the hammer to the striking head. Ox Ultra Strike Hammer range is the premium choice for endurance.
Honestly, we're trying to keep up with it. Works so well and efficiently that the job's easy. You know, get in, get out.
The 16-inch string trimmer delivers more power than gas. At the end of the day, I don't have a headache from any of the emissions.
With the power that it has, it's quicker. Slap a battery and just press the trigger and you're good.
With all the battery-powered equipment from Milwaukee, all you have to do is grab a battery and go. So you're using one battery for all your tools on your job site.
The weight distribution is fantastic.
With the lighter weight and the better run times, our guys can focus more on details of the job.
Quiet and light, but at the end of the day, and you feel not so tired about it because it saves you a lot of time.
I don't have to sit there, crank in, fill it with gas, mess with the choke. I can just grab it, put it full blast right away. It's a lot faster than the gas one.
There's no desire to go back to gas. I'm over the headaches. The ease and the comfort of the Milwaukee string trimmers is far superior and my choice all day long.
Looking for a mini portable dust collector for your next woodworking project? The Grizzly Industrial T33587 mini portable dust collector will have you covered. This portable dust collector has 2.5 micron filtration that efficiently captures dust approximately 28 times smaller than the diameter of a human hair. The air drawn in by the 6-inch impeller provides up to 525 CFM of suction and is filtered through a felt collection bag with a zipper for easy disposal. This means in addition to capturing the typical sawdust that you would usually have to sweep up, it also reduces the amount of airborne dust leading to better air. The mini portable dust collector has lockable casters. When not in use, the small size allows you to easily store it away. For a more permanent setup, this efficient unit can also be wall-mounted to collect sawdust from one woodworking machine at a time. Like all Grizzly dust collectors, the T33587 comes with a 1-year warranty, which covers parts and assures the unit is free from factory defects. The Grizzly Industrial T33587 mini portable dust collector is significant for creating a safer, healthier, and more productive environment.